Good morning, traders. After yesterday's baby seal-like clubbing, the market appears to have recovered. I was just taking a look at some of the positions that I have in one of my accounts here, and pretty much everything has begun to stabilize. In fact, it may turn out, if the market stays up today, that yesterday's action turns into a spring. UFPT Technologies stopped pretty much exactly where you would expect it to, and so far it's holding support. The trade desk essentially did the same thing. It penetrated its box area here that we have illustrated and appears to have recovered today. Parsons Corporation made a new low earlier today, at least for the last 3 weeks, but it has recovered. So if it closes in the higher part of the day, then most likely all we're looking at here is some shakeout activity. If you weren't aware that these stocks were in play, that's because you're not a member of StockStrategyCircle.com. If you were a member, you would have been notified almost immediately after I placed these trades. Not only that, you'd have access to my watch list, which shows you exactly what it is that I'm looking at every day. Let's take a look at the Stock Strategy Circle. As a member with a Gold Pass, you'll have access to these trade alerts. And as you can see, we just had a couple of trade alerts today. I closed out a position that I entered a few days ago. That is Valley. And what happens is you get the trade alert, you see what it is I traded, you get a link that you can click on that will take you directly into TradeView, where you can see what stock it was, you can get a chart. In addition to that, Stock Strategy Circle has a built-in web app which will give you notifications on your phone, and you'll have access to all of this. There's a private chat area which only paid members can participate in. There's the trade alerts, so every time I place a trade or come up with an idea, you're going to get notified immediately. As a member of Stock Strategy Circle, you'll have access to our updated watch list, which I typically update either as new trades come up or at least once a week, typically on a Sunday. If we check the one for last Sunday, you get a link that will throw you into a TradingView watch list. And from this TradingView watch list, you can go down the list and you can actually just take a look at each one on the chart. So here's Fresh Pet. Fresh Pet looks like it's about to break out today, so there's a free trade alert for you. Fresh Pet actually looks pretty good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and throw in a trade right now. So now that I'm logged into my account with Interactive Brokers, I can put in a trade right here, right off the watch list on Fresh Pet, which I'm going to do. For demonstration purposes. All right, now that I've put in the trade, if we check, you'll see that it updates on your chart. Now, this is part of TradeView, but you'll see how it's tied in over here on the Stock Strategy Circle. As a member, you're going to get notified on your feed when that trade pops up. So what happens is when I place the trade, once the fill comes back, the email gets parsed and then it's sent over to you guys. There you go. Here's your new activity bubble. We're going to click that. And there it is. Bought one Fresh Pet, 141.15. Here's a link. So you can get in and you can see what's going on. Shows you what stock it is. Click over here. And there it is. It shows you exactly what's going on. Now, you don't have to have an account, but if you do, these are all of the different brokers that TradingView supports. I have an account with TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, Webull, Oanda, AMP. That's mostly for futures and Forex.com. Any of the trades that I place with my Interactive Brokers account, those are the ones that are tied to your trading alerts. And that happens all automatically, all in the background. So get in on the action. There's no reason to sit on the sidelines because you don't know what's going on. In addition, if you're not exactly sure on what to do in order to become a stock trader, part of your membership in the Stock Strategy Circle is you can enroll in the 5-star course. And in the 5-star course, I tell you exactly how to pick trades, how to place the trades, the kind of stocks you should be investing in, and why you do that. This website was actually designed as a companion piece for the course because it turned out that many of the students, though they rated the course 5-star, still wanted to have access to timely market alerts so they could see actually what I'm doing as I apply the concepts that are in the course.